Hi, I'm Jon Stapleton with CodeVA, and this is a quick tutorial on sensor variables with the microbit microcontroller. Let's jump right into it. So I've got my simulator up here, and I'm going to show you how to do sensor variables. Now, if you don't know what a variable is, go check out this link in the description, learn about variables just a little bit before coming back here. At least that's what I recommend. Or you can just go for it. I think it's fine either way, honestly. It's not, you could do it. I think it'll be okay. So, sensor variables are values that you can use in your programs from the microbits sensors. You may already know about variables that you can make yourself, which are great, but also there's all these variables down in here that are values that the microbit is gonna use. And there's two kinds. There's continuous variables, like these ones, and these are round, and they are numbers. They're number values. And then there are true-false variables, or Boolean variables, and those are the hexagonal ones. You can use Boolean variables in if statements, and you can use the number, the continuous sensor values in if statements as well. So I'm going to show you both things. All right. So let's do this. So I'm going to get forever going here, and then I'm going to grab an if statement. And the first one I'll show you is the acceleration. And what acceleration is, what acceleration does, rather, is it measures the orientation of the microbit board. Let me grab a relational expression here. We'll throw that in on one side. Now, you get some different orientations, and it's worth experimenting with this. And also, if you go in here and you right-click, you can get help, and this is pretty useful, honestly, as well. So you have all these measurements of acceleration, and you get a little video. You can see some stuff in here, and then this is the important part. This is the maximum and minimum values. It's worth going and looking at the examples. This is such a great resource. So we have 0 as a midpoint. It looks like, and we have a maximum of 1023 and a minimum of negative 1023. So let's use that. We'll see. So let's see if we can get, if acceleration x is greater than 0. That's what we're going to do. If acceleration x is greater than 0, then we'll do an icon. We'll do that. Okay. Ooh. Let's add an else here. Else will show nothing. Else let's clear screen. There we go. Okay. So we have our acceleration up here. And then when it crosses over to negative. So you can see as I tilt the microcontroller, we get different values. And that's acceleration on x. If we go y, if you tilt it the other direction, we get different values. Pretty interesting stuff. And there are lots of other ones to try here too. Compass heading, temperature. Go check those out. See if you can figure out how to use them. The other one that you can use is these hexagonal true-false values, and that is a good one to try as well. So I'm gonna grab gesture. This one's great. We'll do. You can kind of do this in a similar way as the gestures, actually. So if we have it tilting right versus left, so you kind of use it similarly to the acceleration in this particular case. These little sensor variables are great things for you to try. So I encourage you to experiment. Go look for some more input variables, put them in if statements, see if you can figure out how they work. There's lots of different ways to try it. If you have any questions or you run into any problems with these concepts, please get in the comments. We would love to talk to you. And check the links in the description as well. Check out more tutorials, see if you can learn some more stuff and apply these concepts in different ways. Otherwise, good luck and happy coding.